Simmering the sauce, mastering the art of gentle cooking. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a delicious phrase that's common in cooking: simmer the sauce. This expression is not only useful in the kitchen but also a great example of how English uses specific verbs for different actions. Let's unravel its meaning and usage together. Firstly, let's break down the word simmer. Simmering is a cooking technique where you heat a liquid at a temperature just below boiling. It's around 180 to 190 degrees Fahrenheit or 82 to 88 degrees Celsius. When a liquid simmers, you'll see small bubbles on the surface, but it's not boiling vigorously. This term is often used in recipes and cooking shows, so it's a handy word to know. Now, onto the phrase, simmer the sauce. This phrase combines our cooking verb, simmer, with the noun, sauce, which is a thick liquid served with food. When a recipe instructs you to simmer the sauce, it means to cook the sauce on a low heat so that it cooks slowly and gently. This is often done to blend flavors together or to reduce the sauce to a thicker consistency. You might wonder why we say, simmer the sauce, instead of boil the sauce. The key is in the cooking method. Boiling is too aggressive for most sauces and can cause them to burn or lose their nuanced flavors. Simmering, on the other hand, allows the ingredients to meld together harmoniously without the risk of burning. Interestingly, simmer can also be used metaphorically in everyday English. When someone's emotions are simmering, it means they're barely contained and could erupt at any moment. It's a vivid way to describe feelings that are on the brink of becoming more intense. I hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, simmer the sauce. Remember, it's not just a cooking instruction, it's a fine example of how English uses specific verbs for precise actions. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.